Welcome to Crypto Cryptid. Today we're going to look at Dogecoin and how to be a millionaire through it. And if you want to know more about crypto, make sure you follow our channel. Let's get into the video. The question, what is Dogecoin, has a seemingly simple answer. Put simply, it's a cryptocurrency created in 2013 by software developers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a satire of Bitcoin and the exploding popularity of crypto. But obviously there's more to it than that. That's because Dogecoin is also one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, having risen in value by 10,000% since the start of 2021. That's right, if you invested $100 in Dogecoin back in January, your investment would now be worth around $10,000. In fact, it's now one of the top cryptocurrency performers overall, with an estimated overall worth of more than $60 billion, making it bigger than Ford and Twitter. According to its website, Dogecoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency that enables you to easily send money online. That same definition could be applied to other more established cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Cryptocurrencies started gaining popularity as alternatives to traditional currency in the early 2010s. They allow money to be transferred from one person to another without using a bank, and many people believe they make for a safer and more democratic financial system. Bitcoin was launched in 2009, and today there are thousands of other altcoins out there. Indeed, new ones launch on a seemingly constant basis, with SafeMoon and Chia just two of the most recent. Dogecoin has also been labeled a meme coin on account of its origins, and this is one area in which it really differs from most other cryptos. If you're of a certain age, you'll be familiar with the slang term Doge, which is a misspelling and mispronunciation of dog. The dog in question, a cute Shiba Inu, which was an internet meme sensation in 2013 and has never really gone away. Doge says all sorts of funny things that he's thinking using broken English and poor spelling. Dogecoin has had a few busy days in terms of news. On the plus side, SpaceX firm finally announced the Doge 1 mission to the moon, in which a Falcon 9 rocket will carry a payload into lunar orbit. What's more, it will be paid for entirely in Dogecoin. More negatively, Dogecoin suffered a major fall after Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. The cryptocurrency had been trading at around 71 cents prior to the show, but plunged by more than 30% to 42 cents after Musk poked fun at it and labeled it a hustle in his hosting slot on Saturday. It has since rallied to around half a dollar. But given that beforehand pundits were predicting a major rise on the back of the appearance, it was all a bit of a disappointment. If you're confused by how often Musk's name keeps cropping up in relation to Dogecoin, let us explain. The Tesla boss has long since championed Dogecoin on Twitter and in interviews, labeling himself the Doge father, and proclaiming Doge to be the future of currency. And every time he tweets positively about Dogecoin, the coin's price seems to rise. Several popular crypto exchanges have announced support for Dogecoin in recent days. Gemini added it on Tuesday, while eToro and Webull have also started letting users purchase the currency recently. For years, the price of a Dogecoin remained at a fraction of a penny. It finally crossed the penny threshold in January 2021, but has since soared beyond most people's wildest expectations. On April 20th, it reached a high of 41 cents, meaning it had grown by 7,600% since the start of the year. A further surge in early May saw it climb to even higher levels. It topped at 70 cents at one stage, representing a growth of 14,000% in 2021. While it's now sitting at around half a dollar, that's still an impressive performance. Dogecoin, which began as a joke, has gained celebrity support from people like Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, and rock musician Gene Simmons, driving up the price. Musk expressed his interest in the coin once more in April, saying Doge, barking at the stars. Following Elon Musk's tweet, a large number of people purchased large amounts of Dogecoin, causing the price to rise from a 24-hour low of $0.062 to $0.078, a 20% increase. The key explanation for the price increase is said to be the rising value of other crypto types such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which has propelled the value of Dogecoin. Musk tweeted a picture of a dust storm with the Shiba Inu dog face as the Dogecoin norm, blowing over a global financial system on April 18th morning. Musk described it as inevitable. The Doge run seems to be unstoppable. Now, as the prices reach a new peak, the meme cryptocurrency briefly replaced the payments-focused XRP as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The Doge cryptocurrency was not intended to be a serious investment asset when it started off as a joke. The coin launched in 2013 as a parody of the explosion in cryptocurrency altcoins that were promoted as alternatives to Bitcoin. Software engineers Billy Marcus from IBM and Jackson Palmer from Adobe adopted the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog for fun. The co-founders had ceased being directly involved in the Dogecoin project, but its resurgent popularity has encouraged them to return to the project and develop an upgrade to the protocol, which was last updated in 2019, and that they intend to roll out in the next year. Dogecoin had a value of just $0.000264 when it became available in December 2013. It was relatively stable until the cryptocurrency rally in late 2017 into January 2018 lifted the price to $0.013219. By the summer of 2018, it had fallen back to $0.002169, and in early 2019, it slipped to $0.001 level. The price trended up during 2020 as cryptocurrency adoption increased, ending the year at $0.004644. By 8th of May, Doge had soared to a new all-time high of $0.7376. At the time of writing, 18th May, the coin traded at $0.49, overtaking XRP, USDT, and DOT to become the fifth largest coin on the market, with a capitalization of $64 billion. On 19th of April, technology-focused online retailer Newegg announced that it was making Doge Day by starting to accept Dogecoin as a payment method. Newegg has accepted payments in Bitcoin since 2014. Customers can complete their transactions by transferring Dogecoin held in their BitPay digital wallet. The number of companies accepting Dogecoin as a payment has been increasing. In March, the Dallas Mavericks NBA team, high-end car dealership Post Oak Motor Cars, luxury resort company Kessler Collection, and the Latvian airline Air Baltic added Doge to their accepted payment methods. And cryptocurrency ATM operator CoinFlip added Dogecoin to its network of 1,800 terminals across the US. On 20th April, the hashtags Doge420 and Doge Day trended on Twitter as social media users anticipated a jump in the price towards $1. The owner of the Dallas Mavericks basketball team, Mark Cuban, has also made several comments about the coin. On 26th April, he posted that Doge is the one coin that people might actually use for transactions. Dogecoin's stratospheric rise has also fueled plenty of grumbling among cryptocurrency buffs who see it as a tacky sideshow that overshadows more serious uses of cryptocurrency. One of Dogecoin's original creators has disavowed the coin, and even Musk has warned investors not to over-speculate in cryptocurrency. Musk recently sent the crypto markets into upheaval again after he announced that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin. There's no doubt that in Dogecoin mania, like GameStop mania before it, is at least partially attributable to some combination of pandemic-era boredom and the eternal appeal of get-rich-quick schemes. But there may be more structural forces at work. Over the past few years, soaring housing costs, record student loan debt, and historically low interest rates have made it harder for some young people to imagine achieving financial stability by slowly working their way up the career ladder and saving money paycheck by paycheck, the way their parents did. Instead of ladders, these people are looking for trampolines, risky, volatile investments that could either result in a life-changing windfall or send them right back to where they started. Conte Soto is a prime case study. He makes $60,000 a year at his job right now, a decent living but nowhere near enough to afford a home in Los Angeles where the median home costs nearly $1 million. He drives a beat-up Toyota and spends years living frugally, but in his 30s, with still no house to his name, he decided to go looking for something that could change his fortunes overnight and ended up at Dogecoin's store. When Conte Soto recalls the way he used to pursue wealth, working hard, cutting back on expenses, saving some money from every paycheck, he sees evidence of a system that is rigged against regular people. I feel like those experts on TV, the older generation of older money and wealth, they try to scare people into staying safe so nobody gets too rich. His new motto, he said, is scared money doesn't make money. Many things about Conte Soto's investing philosophy would turn a traditional financial advisor's stomach, but the wildest of all is that despite his spectacular gains, he has not yet cashed out his Dogecoin millions. He thinks the currency's price will continue to rise and he doesn't want to miss out on future profits by selling too soon. The Supreme Court of India has legitimized the usage of cryptocurrency across the country last year. The Apex Court observed that the existence of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is unregulated but not illegal. This has relieved cryptocurrency traders to some extent. Now, India as a market is as vast as China, and this ruling has supported the world of digital money extensively. So in simple words, investing in cryptocurrency is completely legal and you can do so through various apps and traders in the market. Nevertheless, before investing, an individual must keep an eye on government policies as the central government is planning for a nationwide Bitcoin ban. But there is good news as well. The recent updates from the parliament suggest that the government is trying to make its own cryptocurrency that can be regulated according to a legislative agenda listed by the government in January 2021. That's all for today, and if you find the video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency related news, and I'll see you in the next video.